Do you know what these are? Well, these are hot air balloons, and riding them, you can go to far off places. Now, do you know there is an annual festival held in Istanbul where all these different types of shapes and sizes of air balloons you can see. And not only that, you can actually ride them and go to far off places. Now, these balloons do not have any wings as you see with birds or even the fins which you travel. So, how do they float in air? What exactly helps them to float in air? Well, what helps them to float in air is gas. They are filled with gases, and that is why they can float in air and even travel to far off places. Now, whichever balloon you fill, all the balloons are actually filled with air. And air is nothing but a mixture of gases. So you see, all the different types of balloon are powered by what? They are powered by gases. And because of the gases, they can float in air. Now, these gases have some very interesting properties. For example, if you store a gas in such a container and its lid is closed, then you will see that the gas is stored in this container. But what if you remove its lid? Well, then what will happen is this gas will spread in the entire larger container. So you see, everything is filled with the same gas which was initially in only this small area. So what exactly happened? Well, gases expand and fill whatever space they get. They do not have any fixed volume. So you see, while you can say that this is 1 liter of milk, you cannot say that this is 1 liter of air, because the air is inside it, because this is closed. As soon as you remove the cap, what will happen is this air will come out and mix with the surrounding air. So it has no fixed volume, and no container can actually measure how much the volume of the gas is. That is the very important property of gases. Gases do not have a fixed volume. But while they do not have a fixed volume, they definitely have a fixed weight. That is, gases have weight. And how do you know that? Well, if you try to measure the weight of a less inflated balloon and a fully inflated balloon, you will see that this is heavier. Now, both of them are same balloons. So what made this one heavier? Well, it has more gases inside it compared to this. So that proves that gases actually have weight, and they are measured by their weight rather than their volume. And that is why in all our kitchens we have these gas cylinders, and if you try to notice, you will see that there is a weight mentioned of that particular gas, because the cylinder is filled with gas, and the weight of gas is mentioned on this because gases are measured by their weight. And if you open this cylinder and allow the gas to spread in the room, well, it will take up the space of the entire room. But still, if you can measure it, you will find that its weight will remain same. So gases do not have a fixed volume, but they have a fixed weight. Now, another important feature of gases is that they have no fixed shape. So whichever container they get, they will take the shape of that container. So the same gas will fill up a rounded balloon, and the same gas will also fill up an elongated balloon, because it has no fixed shape. Whichever container it gets, it will fill it with that particular shape, and it will take the shape of the container, because gases do not have a fixed shape. So you see, we learned 3 important properties of gases, which are that they have no fixed shape and they can take shape of any sort of container, while they have no fixed volume either, but they have a fixed weight. That is, if you measure the weight of the gas, It will always remain the same in whichever container you store it. So gases are very unique. They cannot be seen, but they can be felt, and they have no fixed shape and no fixed volume, but they have fixed weight. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.